ASUS Z88 60% mechanical keyboard. In our today's review, first we have the ASUS Z88 60% mechanical keyboard. ASUS 60% mechanical keyboard adopts advanced metal panel design, beautiful and strong. The keyboard and the Type-C line can be separated, which is convenient for your use. The Type-C cable adopts a specially customized thick anti-interference line, more stable and accurate to the output of your ideas. The Type-C cable comes with a storage design, bid farewell to messy cable. It also has solid yellow color backlit and 18-mode backlight, customizable lighting setting, backlight brightness adjustable. Advanced anti-ghosting technology allows all 61 keys to work simultaneously to provide a fast typing response. The keyboard supports plug. Redragon K552 mechanical gaming keyboard. The Redragon K552RGB is a good mechanical gaming keyboard with clicky tactile switches and a 10-key less design that's simple and functional. Its impressive build quality and superb RGB lighting with individually backlit keys competes with keyboards at twice its price. It has 19 different lighting effects. It's compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, or Windows XP. Limited Mac OS keyboard support works well with all major computers brands and gaming PCs. Unfortunately, the keyboard is pretty barebones when it comes to extra features, and the clicky Ultima Blue switches are loud and may not be the best choice for quiet offices. However, given its budget price, it's still a good option for those looking for a basic mechanical keyboard with admirable performance. Havit Mechanical Keyboard Wired 89 Keys Gaming Keyboard. This 60% mechanical keyboard is with unique and high-quality PBT keycaps, which have excellent touch experience and long serving time. Colorful keycaps can bring a more pleasant mood to games or work. With 89 key design, the wired keyboard saves space while retaining the number keys. Perfect for office and games. Each switch is with durability of 50 million times, and the sound is quiet when the button is pressed lightly. The design of this gaming keyboard is based on ergonomics and with folding stand at the back, which provide a comfort typing angle and effectively reduces the burden on the wrist. Punxton TH61 60% mechanical gaming keyboard. Punxton TH61 is an RGB mechanical keyboard with 61 keys, durable 2K injection keycaps, bright brilliant RGB backlight, anti-ghosting technology, full N-key rollover, able to perform complex executions using RFN combo. What's more, you can DIY your keyboard with our powerful application for Windows. Remap keys, edit macros, multimedia control, all easily done with our application for Windows. TH61 60% mechanical keyboard uses optical switches which can be hot swapped for those keen at customization. You can swap the switches easily with a puller with no soldering needed. Great little feature for those DIY inclined folks. Our keyboard set comes with a 59-inch detachable Type-C USB cable allowing for ultra-fast Fiodio Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This mechanical gaming keyboard features 3 DIY backlight modes and 19 fantastic backlight modes, streaming, racing, breathing and so on. Bright lighting effects offer immersing gaming experience to you. The brightness and lighting speed of the keyboard is available to change, you can choose the effect as you like. Full 104-key anti-ghosting for smooth gaming, 104-key rollover with anti-ghosting design ensures the most accuracy of your commands in any use case scenario, and will never miss a single key press or confuse your commands under any conditions. Thanks to its spill-resistant design, you do not need to worry about the trouble caused by accidental spills of water anymore.